Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2019 Dodge Durango GT SUV with the remainder of its factory warranty. This three-row crossover SUV offers respectable 3.6-litre V6 performance, class-leading towing capacity, and brash muscle car lines and contours for just the right amount of street appeal too. A perennial favourite, this well-rounded and capable Durango should be a top contender on your test drive list. The cabin of this rear-wheel drive GT trim is refined and spacious. Comfortably seating up to 7 passengers, this one features Bluetooth, backup camera, rear parking sensors, a 7-inch touchscreen interface, 2 USB ports, remote ignition, an 8-way power driver's seat, a 115-volt power outlet, a 50-50 split folding third-row seats with power folding headrests, and a 6-speaker sound system. The exterior has 20-inch wheels, a power liftgate, and load-leveling rear suspension. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to come and put this Durango through its paces today. With its smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, precise and well-weighted steering, impressive ground clearance, and a quiet, composed, comfortable ride quality, you are going to discover there is a lot to love about this capable and spacious SUV. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign, and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.